Rabies is a neglected disease of poor and vulnerable populations. It is a life-threatening condition that causes 55,000 of deaths per year worldwide. Globally, dogs are the most common animals involved. More than 99% of rabies cases in countries are commonly caused by dog bites. Rabies is present on all continents with the exception of Antarctica, but more than 95% of human deaths occur in Asia and
Rabies
Africa.
is a viral disease illness spread via the saliva of an infected animal. This occurs usually through biting a human or another animal. Transmission can also occur through saliva touching an open wound. Rabies virus belong to the order Mononegavirales. Group viruses with a distinct bullet shape are classified in the Rhabdoviridae family, which includes three animal viruses: Lyssavirus, Ephemerovirus, and Vesiculovirus. Rhabdoviruses are approximately 180 nanometers long and 75 nanometers wide. The rabies genome encodes 5 proteins: nucleoprotein, phosphoprotein, matrix protein, glycoprotein, and polymerase. Viral RNA uncoats in the cytoplasm of infected cells. The genome is transcribed by a virion-associated RNA-dependent RNA polymerase. Viral RNA is then translated into individual viral proteins. Replication occurs with synthesis of positive stranded RNA.
This man developed symptoms of rabies. On the third day of the disease, he displays characteristic restlessness and agitation. The most familiar clinical symptom of rabies is associated with difficulty swallowing, which is when fluid comes in contact with the throat, it is violently expelled, at the same time producing painful spasmodic muscular contractions, hence the term hydrophobia or fear of water. The accessory muscles of respiration are also affected by attempt to swallow so that the patient chokes and gasps for air. In order to avoid swallowing, he drools accumulated saliva into a cup. By the fifth day, salivation is copious and almost continuous. There is excessive perspiration and the pupils begin to dilate. As a precaution against the convulsions which commonly occur in rabies, the patient is secured hand and foot. He displays increasing agitation and delirium. The phase of rabies is survived, paralysis sets in, accompanied by apathy and stupor. The patient becomes quieter and lapses into a coma and immediate death.
If you've been bitten by an animal that is known to have rabies, you will receive a series of shots to prevent the rabies virus from infecting you. The combination of human rabies, immune globulin, HRIG, and vaccine is recommended for both bite and non-bite exposures. Remember that rabies is not inherently from humans. If we can spread the information about rabies and care for our pets and surroundings, nobody should have to suffer the consequences brought by this disease.